Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. Before we start, let me to tell you once again that everything discussed in this video comes from verifiable public sources including CoinMarketCap supply data, Verasity's official Health Scout documentation, Binance Alpha announcements, Who Coin Exchange notices, on-chain wallet trackers, and long-running community discussions on Reddit and X. There is no hype, no sponsorship, no paid promotion in this video. This will be a pure reality check on Veracity. By the way, in this video, we are answering one simple question. Has anything fundamentally improved for Veracity since my last video? Or have the risks simply become clearer? In today's video, I'll show you new updates that you did not hear in my last video, including a February 2026 token unlock, delayed tokenomics changes, fading Binance Alpha impact, and why the community trust is now the biggest variable going into 2026. If you watched my previous Verasity's video, you already know we covered BNB Smart Chain integration, Vera Wallet multi-chain upgrades, staking extensions, Binance Alpha exposure, proof of view token restructuring, client transparency concerns, exchange downgrades, and the growing communication gap between the people and the team. This is, by the way, lack of communication by team. So today I'm not repeating those basics because several new risks and realities have emerged since then. First of all, let's start with staking because this remains one of the Veracity's strongest utility features. According to official Veracity's documentation, staking rewards of roughly 15% APY are still active and extended through March 31st, 2026. Therefore, staking is functioning, rewards are being paid, and participation remains stable. However, and this is by the way really very important, that long-term sustainability of these rewards is still not clearly explained. There is no transparent breakdown showing whether staking rewards are funded by protocol revenue or reserves or emissions. So yes, staking works, but the math behind it remain unclear. Now let's revisit Binance Alpha because many people still misunderstand it. Veracity was listed on Binance Alpha in mid-2025, which brought visibility and an Alpha Points campaign. But as I clearly explained in my last video, and this remains true today by the way, Binance Alpha is not Binance Spot. It does not provide deep liquidity, futures, or institutional access. And here is the new update now. After the Alpha campaign ended, trading activity declined. Now there has been no upgrade to Binance Spot, no futures listing, and no earn on launch pool integration. Binance Alpha delivered temporary attention, not structural demand. Now let's take a look at the new very critical update, and that is a February 20th, 2026 token unlock. And this is something I did not cover in my previous video, and it is really very important. According to Veracity's official Health Scout documentation, there is a scheduled token unlock on February 20th, 2026. Even if the team argues that these tokens are already accounted for, markets do not ignore unlock dates. Traders front-run them, sentiment reacts to them, and uncertainty increases around them. And this February 2026 unlock is now a key short-term risk factor that investors must be aware of. Now let's take a look at the Tokenomics restructure update. Another major update is actually what has not happened. Veracity previously indicated that tokenomics restructuring would be addressed by late 2025. And now, as of January 2026, no revised emission model, no clear POV to VRA relationship, and no staking sustainability framework. This delay directly explains why price action remains weak and why confidence has not returned. But the narratives matter in crypto, and Veracity's narrative is still fragmented. Now let's take a look at the proof of view and communication by team. Proof of view technology is real. Legacy POV token on Ethereum have been burned. Migration plans exist. But the problem is, that is by the way a real problem, that is communication, not technology. And therefore there are still no clear timelines, usage metrics, or deployment statistics. And this lack of clarity has damaged trust, especially among long-term holders. Now let's take a look at the adoption. And this is one of the biggest missing pieces. Veracity promotes VeraViews and real-world ad fraud prevention, but there are no public adoption metrics yet, no advertisers counts, no publisher revenue numbers, and no proof of view validation statistics. Therefore, without measurable data, utility remains theoretical, not proven. Now let's move on to the community trust. That is by the way worse than before. Since my last video, community sentiments has further deteriorated. The community is now split between long-term believers in the technology and second one, the holders demanding transparency and accountability. And increased moderation, deleted posts, and reduced communication have only amplified skepticism. Now let's move on to the final and very important question. Is Verasity a scam? And let me answer this once again very clearly. No, Verasity is not a scam. It has working staking, multi-chain support, observable exchange listings, and real proof of view technology. And by the way, it is really very critical. It is a high-risk, trust-dependent project. Without transparency, adoption metrics, and tokenomics clarity, Verasity remains speculative, not a conviction investment. Now, here is my honest summary. Utility exists, taking works, technology is real, but on the other hand, adoption is unproven, tokenomics remain unclear, and February 2026 unlock is approaching, and communication is still weak. Therefore, Verasity does not need marketing, it needs clarity. Now we are on the live 7 days time frame chart of Verasity once again, and here you can see that the price line is still moving at a very critical support of a huge long-term down channel. Since after the month of June 2021, you can see that the price line is moving inside this channel. We had bounce here, by the way, here we got rejection, bounce, rejection, and now the price line is once again dropped down at this support here. You can see that we have so many touch points here and short bounces as well, and now if we take a look at the oscillators once again with the combination of this support, that is, by the way, ideal. You can see that the price line is moved down at the support once again where it was dropped here. We had a bounce. Here we had a short bounce. Here, by the way, we had a short bounce. And here we had a massive bounce, by the way. If I place the measurement tool, then you can see that this bounce was almost 1078%. Very massive bounce. And this bounce from here to overall here, this was almost more than 655%. And this time, if the price line reaches here at the resistance of the channel, then it can hit somewhere here, approximately at $0.0015. Along with that, it can also hit the resistance. By the way, $0.0015, in fact, is another very strong resistance. However, along with that, we will also need to break out this huge resistance of the down channel as well. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then there is another resistance. You can see that if I place a trend line, down trend line, here you can see that we have found another resistance here. Many rejections from here. That we got many rejections. We got few rejections here, rejection here, few more rejections here. Now price line is dropped down here. Therefore, first we will need to break it out. Then price line can hit the resistance of the channel. That is a very huge resistance, a multi-year based resistance, and once the price line will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very massive rally. So far, since after the month of November or October 2021, the price line of Verasity is not able to break out this resistance line. But once it will be broken out, then we can expect a massive and long-term move to the upside of Verasity. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel will be again here at the top of the channel. It is a quite long-term move, by the way. That is somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for daily trading signals, you can also join me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.